Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
What happens when Xiaomi takes everything we love about flagship phones, premium performance, stunning design, and powerful features, and folds it into something compact, sleek, and surprisingly practical? Introducing the Xiaomi MIX Flip 2, a foldable that's not just stylish, but smartly engineered for real-world use. From its groundbreaking hinge and ultra-smooth display to upgraded cameras, fast wireless charging, and a battery that actually lasts, this phone might just redefine what a compact foldable should be. But is it really worth the hype and that price tag? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know, including real-world performance tests, camera samples, feature deep dives, and a look at the exclusive accessories that make this phone stand out. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Xiaomi Mi MIX Flip 2 was officially launched yesterday, and it brings some standout refinements in the world of foldables. While compact foldables often prioritize style and trend appeal, Xiaomi has taken a more thoughtful approach, especially when it comes to design and everyday usability. Let's explore 4 key design upgrades in the MIX Flip 2 that elevate the overall experience. 1. Triple curved edge design. One of the most noticeable changes is the introduction of a tri-surface structure. This addresses the awkward feel caused by the gap near the hinge in the original MIX Flip. When the phone is folded, the rounded triple edge finish provides a smoother grip, making it far more comfortable in the hand. When unfolded, the outer display and back panel align flush, giving it the feel of a conventional flat screen phone. 2. Matte metal mid-frame. Xiaomi has replaced the glossy metal frame of the previous model, which, although premium, was prone to smudges, with a refined matte finish on the Flip 2. This not only looks sleek, but also offers a cleaner, more tactile feel, especially for users who prefer going case-free. 3. Improved crease minimization. One of the most impressive enhancements lies in the display itself. Once unfolded, the MIX Flip 2's inner screen appears exceptionally flat. The crease is barely visible, only noticeable at very specific angles, and is practically undetectable to the touch. This near-flat look and feel is thanks to Xiaomi's innovative Mi Keel hinge. It features a sophisticated structure with 3 linkages and 4 foldable plates, along with dynamic support elements. This architecture not only helps reduce crease formation over time, but also enables the screen to maintain stable positions between 45 degrees and 120 degrees, ideal for hands-free use at multiple angles. Slimmer, narrower body. The MIX Flip 2 has also slimmed down significantly. When unfolded, it measures just 7.57 millimeters in thickness with a width of 73 millimeters, a notable reduction from the previous generation. This makes it easier to grip with one hand. For comparison, the iPhone 16 Plus also weighs 199 grams, but is thicker at 7.8 millimeters and wider at 77.8 millimeters. That makes the MIX Flip 2 not only lighter in hand, but also more compact and ergonomic. All these upgrades work together to enhance the daily user experience, focusing not just on looks, but on how the device feels and functions in the real world. In short, the Xiaomi Mi MIX Flip 2 isn't just a stylish foldable, it's one thoughtfully designed for better usability. Display experience, inside and out. Let's begin with the outer screen, which impressively mirrors the quality of the main display. It features a 1.5K resolution, 460 ppi pixel density, and a 120 Hz high refresh rate for smooth performance. With a peak brightness of 3200 nits, DC dimming for eye comfort, and protection from dragon crystal glass, this compact screen is anything but secondary. Moving to the main display, the MIX Flip 2 offers a 6.86-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate and the same 3200 nit peak brightness. Thanks to the use of M9 luminous materials, the screen achieves exceptional brightness and clarity. The outer display isn't just about specs, it also supports professional-grade color calibration and Dolby Vision playback, a rare feature for a compact external screen. Yes, you read that right. This tiny 4-inch cover screen can stream Dolby Vision content via supported apps. Credit goes to HyperOS 2, which brings extensive optimizations to encourage daily use of the external screen. One returning fan favorite is the cute pet lock screen introduced with the first MIX Flip. This year, Xiaomi adds 3 new virtual companions: Jarhead Bird, Black-Nosed Sheep, and seal. Tap their heads or bodies and they respond with playful animations. When charging, they even float off into the sky, adding a whimsical touch to your routine. For real-world pet lovers, you can also upload a photo of your actual pet to generate a personalized AI pet, complete with preserved markings, clothing, or distinctive features. The setup might take a bit of time, but the payoff is a lifelike digital pet companion right on your cover screen. Beyond personalization, Xiaomi has refined gesture controls for the outer display. Swipe left or right to go back, swipe up to return home, or activate multitasking, just like on the main screen. Full screen gestures now feel seamless across both displays. There's also a smart floating window beside the dual camera module. In addition to standard widgets like weather, step count, and clocks, it now supports live activity updates, including timers, countdowns, and verification codes. These updates appear in real time for quick reference. And perhaps most importantly, the MIX Flip 2's external screen now supports more native and third-party apps. Highly requested features like contacts and gallery are finally integrated. You can now make calls, send texts, and review photos, all without opening the phone. The Xiaomi Home app is also optimized for the cover screen, letting you quickly control smart devices. If you're using Xiaomi's in-car voice assistant, you can even pre-ventilate your car, activate the AC, and more, all from the outer screen. What about non-native apps? Thanks to display optimization, most third-party apps now run smoothly and uncropped on the cover screen, offering a near-native experience across the board. Let's talk performance. The Xiaomi MIX Flip 2 packs serious power under the hood. It runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. A top-tier configuration built for speed, multitasking, and seamless user experience. In our gaming performance test, conducted at a screen brightness of 200 nits and a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, the MIX Flip 2 handled Honor of Kings flawlessly. It maintained an average frame rate of 120 FPS with a power consumption of just 5.6 watts, showcasing both efficiency and power. To keep performance consistent during intense tasks, Xiaomi has introduced a dual VC three-dimensional cooling system, a notable innovation for a foldable phone. The lower half of the chassis includes a new generation vapor chamber using an advanced refrigerant material that contributes to the device's comprehensive thermal management cycle. Of course, high-end performance isn't complete without addressing battery life and fast charging, two key areas that complement the MIX Flip 2's flagship-grade experience. The MIX Flip 2 features a high-density GSR battery with an impressive 843 mAh energy density. Despite its slim and compact foldable design, Xiaomi has managed to fit in a 5165 mAh battery, setting a new benchmark for small foldables. In our real-world usage test using the inner screen over a 4-hour mixed usage cycle, the MIX Flip 2 still retained 64% battery, a remarkable achievement for a device in this category. For a compact foldable, this level of endurance is genuinely impressive. That's not all. Beyond battery life, charging capabilities on the MIX Flip 2 bring even more to the table. For the first time, Xiaomi adds support for 50-watt wireless charging, a much-requested feature. Wired charging remains fast at 67 watt, and in our tests, the phone charged to 100% in under an hour. Packing a large battery, fast wired and wireless charging, and a dual VC cooling system into a slim, narrow body, the MIX Flip 2 redefines what's possible in a small foldable. It may fold, but in terms of power, it stands tall alongside full-size flagships. Let's talk imaging. So what does the Xiaomi MIX Flip 2 offer in the camera department? It features a Light & Shadow Hunter 800 main sensor with 2x digital zoom, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens equivalent to a 14mm focal length. We've done some quick sample shots, and the results look promising at first glance. Now, let's shift focus to something new and creative. Xiaomi's portable shooting kit, essentially a compact photo printer with a fun twist. It includes a physical shutter button for that tactile photography feel and supports instant prints. You can even customize frame watermarks before printing, along with adding film-style filters that emulate the look of vintage negatives and textured film effects. Beyond the photography tools, the MIX Flip 2 also arrives with a suite of stylish accessories. This includes decorative lanyards, custom phone cases, and a versatile screw cap attachment. These accessories aren't just aesthetic, Some are functional too. The screw top, for instance, can hold mirror pieces or fragrance tablets, adding a personal touch to your device. And of course, the anti-drop chain helps keep your phone safe on the go. Xiaomi also offers a special gift box set at launch, available through Xiaomi Home. Inside, you'll find UV reactive color changing charms and a multi-purpose string that can even double as a charging cable, blending utility with fashion in a uniquely Xiaomi way. Xiaomi MIX Flip 2 is priced starting at 5,999 yuan in China, which roughly converts to 610 pounds in the UK and approximately $836 in the US. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Xiaomi MIX Flip 2, a compact foldable packed with flagship power, premium design, and thoughtful features that truly push the boundaries of what a small foldable can do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, unboxings, and comparisons. Also, make sure to follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for the latest tech updates and exclusive gadget deals. Oh, and if you haven't already seen it, we just uploaded our in-depth review of the Vivo X Fold 5, the world's lightest foldable phone, which is set to launch in the UK this July mid. It's a must-watch, and you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.